Good morning, me again, and another vlog. Don't think that's full. It's early. It's about 7:45. Birds song everywhere. Two cars in the car park. One was mine. Silly green woodpecker over there on the grass. Didn't get any shots. Yeah, thought I'd do an early one today. See what we can see. High tides it's about now, about 7:30ish. Oh yeah, sun's shining, it's a bit hazy. There's a little bit of a breeze when I first got here, but it might be because I'm a bit below the down, it's lower, if you know what I mean. So it might get a bit windy as I go up here. Bit of a haze going through those woodlands, going through those trees there, look. It's quite nice. Yeah, it's bird song everywhere. Chief chaffs, great tits, blue tits. Good numbers of chief chaff now. Oh, a couple of blackbirds there. Actually, let's go up through the woodland bit. Yeah, I did want to get up earlier, see if I could get eyes on a barn owl, but couldn't get out of bed. I'll go and see if I can get the kestrel later on as well. Oh, there's some goldfinch in this tree right in front of me. Hang on, so I'll put my phone down. It's nice, it's got some nice goldfinch images. Feeding on these, there must be little pods on those brambles, little seeds. I was feeding on them. It's nice. Chiff chaff. Yeah, it looks quite hazy on the river. Look at that for view. Blossom everywhere, look. Chiff chaff. Oh, is that a sparrowhawk? Yeah, sparrowhawk just flew over the woodland. Chased by two crows. Let's go down there and see what we can get in this blossom. Absolutely alive with bird song. Male blackcap. Hopefully you can hear it over the chiff chaff. There he goes. Oh, there's two there. Oh, that might be a male and a female then. Oh, it's really hard to pull myself away from that woodland area. It's great. blue tits, grey tits, goldfinch, robins, black caps. There's a wren. Got some nice shots. Oh, I hope I did anyway. Oh, it's going to walk up the sea wall now. It's a lovely morning, so it's a bit hazy. There's a little bit of a breeze, but it comes and goes. High tide's like now, so I might walk up. I'm going to walk up to the scrope, I think. See what it's like up there. See what wading birds we can see. It's getting slowly warming up. A cutaway grotter in the horse paddock. I think there. I'll have a look from the camera. There could be actually there's quite a few over there. Great little egrets and cattle egret, I think. Quite a way off. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little egrets. I think the other 2 are little egrets. I'll get some shots anyway, have a look. Yeah, it looks quite nice. I just had a pair of Kestrels. I'm not 100% sure, but I think they was both males. They had a bit of a scrap. So yeah, probably rival males. And one went that direction and one went the other direction. Towards the fault. So yeah, one of the Kestrels wouldn't have fought. Yeah, he didn't like that other male on his patch. I didn't get any photos. Well, I tried to get some photos in flight, but I was too slow. My camera's not quick enough. Or I'm not quick enough. Oh, wind's picked up a bit since I've been down here. I don't think it was on that Kestrel again. So they had a bit of a scrap. One went side up, one went one way, one went the other. So yeah, it's quite hazy. Oh, let's walk up to the scrape and see what else we can see. Right, just coming up to the campsite now. Looks like there's a couple of camper vans on there. He's got the old couple of few tents out over the back. It's an eco campsite. They're on Facebook. Just check out East Tilbury Camping or East Tilbury Campsite. It's run by managed by a friend of mine, Vince. I go in there now and again, do some wildlife stuff. Yes, there's no electric, but there's running hot water, so you've got showers, fresh water. I think they're all grass. There's no electrical hookups at all, so I don't think there's any hard standing. I think it's all grass. But yeah, there's some nice pictures there. They've all got barbecues, metal barbecues, and benches, and I say it's hot water. You can get a nice shower over there. I'm yet to camp over. Well, I've got a tent in the shed, but I haven't been camping for years. Might do it when it gets a bit warmer. It's starting to warm up a bit now. It's only what, 9:30? No, it's just got 9 o'clock. It's actually quite warm. The old reed bed there, that's just going to be turning green. Start listening to that for the summer visitor soon. Reed wobblers. Shift chaffs are already here, black caps are here. Although I think some black caps might stay all year round. Could be wrong though, let me know in the comments below. Alright, just scrapes just over there, so I'll get up there soon. Yeah, it's quite hazy. So yeah, it's quite, but once that sun burns that cloud off, it should be a nice, really nice morning. Lovely down the seawall. Yes, look how hazy it is. There's quite a few, a lot of bird life on the scrape. Lots of different gulls. See coots, egrets out there, shovelers, crested ducks. There's a few different species of gull, but black-headed gull. I don't think they're Mediterranean gulls, but they might be. But I need to get my head around gulls, to be honest. I know the basic, like black-headed gulls and great black gull. It's one of them birds I don't take much notice of. I like photographing him in flight. Yeah, the scrape's absolutely alive with bird life today. Because it's high tide as well, I suppose, it pushes everything over. If I'm quiet for a minute, you can probably hear. Walking up to the other end of the sea wall. It's quite a lot of meadow bits. Trying to get a few shots, and I shot on the sea wall. There's a few comp hunting about as well. What else have we seen? Loads of teal on the scrape. I've just spotted some oyster catchers in the rocks over there. I'm going to try and get some shots of them. The tide's on the way out now, it's on the ebb. It's flat calm out there though. Yeah, shame wasn't the other way. I'm planning to go more likely Blue House Farm tomorrow. Or somewhere in that area, I'm not sure yet, I'm going to have a look. I was going to go over to Kent to Walnham. I don't want to get stuck in that Dartford bridge, the Dartford tunnel coming back. I can't be egged with all that. Well, that would be nice to go over there, but I did look at Pulborough Brooks, but it's the same. If you want to get stuck in the M25. So, I'm going to have a look at a couple of other Essex Wildlife Trust places. I might look at Fingering Hoe, but that's Colchester, so it's about an hour and a half, I suppose, just over an hour for me. I'm going to have a look anyway and make a decision later on what to do. Oh, I'm a bit closer to the river now. It's sort of flat, calm. It's just a slight breeze, which is quite nice. So I'm going to go sit up here on the bench for a bit. See what comes around, you never know. Get marsh hares around here. Yeah, it's quite pleasant. I'm going to sit down, there's a bench up the top here. With my feet are aching a bit. Can be good for goldfinch along here as well. I had short-haired owls here in the past. Well, it's a bit late in the day now, but you never know, do you? Yeah, I was looking out for some seals, but I haven't seen any seals yet. Since the barn owls are about actually in the tree. Oh, well, they haven't been in that tree for a long time. I'm not going to say what tree it is, but... So I'm up in one of my favourite places to chill out for a bit. You can see all around, it's quite high up. This duck ramp. I've got the river that side, and I've got marshes and a bit of woodland on the other side. This is the old bar sewage works. Just in there is the old bar sewage works. You can't really see it, but some of it remains. This is where it's a perimeter fence. I can remember this as a kid. It was derelict then, so it would have been active when my dad was around and my granddad. Yeah, been a lot of changes. DP world over there, where I work, unfortunately. Yeah, it's a good habitat. All manner of bird life. You get weasels over here, you get stoats, you get water voles. You get the short-eared owls sometimes, marsh harriers, buzzards, all kind of different smaller birds as well. Just found 3 little ring plover. It's great. Tiny birds. They're moving about from island to island and doing a lot of chasing. So yeah, I've got some shots, but they're distant, but you can see they're little grey plover. Little ringed plover. Yeah, ringed plover. Looks like a ring around them. They're pretty birds. There's one at Rainham at the moment. I managed to get some shots at the other day when I was there. It's still quite hazy. It's clouds thickening a little bit. Lights not too bad, I suppose. It's right if you're going to get close-up shots and stuff. I'm going to get back to the fort in a minute. I'm going to see if I can get the Kestrel. See back in there. It's been a good morning though. It's 12 o'clock actually. 12 o'clock now, so I've been there a good, what, 3 hours. Oh yeah, gonna go up to the woodland and the fort, see if I can get the Kessie, get some shots of the Kestrel. Oh, Skylark is singing away as usual as well. So there you go, not bad. Hey, forgot to mention I had a pair of Lapwings. They was on the sea wall. Well, not on the sea wall, they was just on the grassy bank. I managed to get some really close up shots of them. Well, one of them anyway, one of them was quite close. I hit behind the sea wall. Slowly got myself up and got in position. Yeah, got some lovely shots of Lapwings. I do like a Lapwing. I've got several names, but I can't remember what they are. Once again, one begins with one begins with a P, I think. I can't remember. I'll have a look anyway. I'll Google it, and I'll put them up in a vlog a bit later. Different names of them. Maybe the scientific name. I get a bit technical now, aren't I? Alright, back where I started. In this little woodland at Cold House Fort. See what other woodland species I can get actually. While I'm here, that's why I come back. Robin. There's so many different species here. Feeding on the blossom, there must be nectar or tiny little seeds in the blossom they're feeding on. Chiff chaff's calling all the time. Yeah, it's really nice. It's only a small woodland, but it's enough to, well, big enough to stay. Lots of bird life. So yeah, I'm just going to hang about around here for a little while. See what comes, see what I can see, well, see what I can find, even here. Right, back at my car now. I'll call it a day. I managed to get some Kestrel images a little while ago. A few other bits and pieces. I've got some footage and some birds on the scrape. Oh yeah. So this would be it for this vlog. So I've got to make my mind up to where I'm going to go tomorrow. I was looking at Leon Sea, Two Tree Island, but toss up between there and Blue House Farm. I mean, I do like Blue House Farm. I mean, you've got a good chance of seeing marsh harriers there. I don't want to go too far, so I might go Blue House Farm tomorrow morning. I'll see. I'm going to have a look, see what other reserves. I mean, Blue House Farm is, I think that's about the best one, to be honest. Which is closest to me. It's only about half an hour away. So I'll probably end up going Blue House Farm. I'll spend most of the day in the third hide. Obviously, I'll check the other two hides out, but I normally spend quite a lot of time in the third hide. It's always good for marsh harriers. It's pretty isolated out there as well, so that's why I like it. Nice and quiet. You don't get a lot of people. You might get the odd person coming to the hide, but I prefer it like that. I like it nice and quiet. Not too peoply. So yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate all your likes and comments. And stay safe, stay sane. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.